Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Take a ride in the 2011 IS 250. An interior and exterior design inspired by the world of competitive racing, the IS 250's authentic performance and style are the hallmarks of this classy luxury sedan and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, CD changer, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.